So the plan today is we're gonna go out. We're gonna see waterfalls. We're going on back trails, and we're gonna have a boil up. And I think on the menu today we're gonna have some hamburgers. Anyway, we'll see.
Is it gonna be like a special guest kind of thing?
This is the four. This is the Four Stooges.
I feel like special guest.
Which one we gonna call him? Curly?
Actually, you're sounding a bit great there, great Jamie. By
some I am married.
Some handsome.
Bit of water on. Little Gut Brook Falls. I assume it's this way. Oh wow. I mean, come on. Wow.
One is down here, but you got to go down over a hill.
Oh, do you?
You got to use a rope.
That's pretty cool.
We go swimming here. You can see it. This is what we go swimming.
Long way down. Woohoo! That's crazy. That's ocean right there.
You smell her.
Yeah, you can smell the salt water. A little bit of snow today. Salt water behind me. That's where the river feeds into the harbor. I did that. Are we going to put that in the St. John's Burger Competition?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Chapel Arm River. Chapel Arm River Burgers.
Oh baby.
Michelle, can you start over? I didn't get it on video.
Oh, we're roughing it in the country. Roughing it in the woods.
Just a bit of ketchup. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah.
Oh,
What else can you put on it? Relish.
Relish.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, it can be sloppy joes.
What else we got?
Tad and mustard.
Bit of mustard. Why not? Better than a team burger at A&W.
There we go. Now we'll
Diddly.
top them off.
Perfect. Done. Here,
It looks
take
like
one.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Thank you, bro.
You cook?
There you go.
Hang on, bud. Hang on. That's the peak where we're going back.